A hadith from an Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam states, إِذَا رَأَيْتَ الْهِلَالَ فَصُمْ. If you see the moon, start your fast. وَإِذَا رَأَيْتَهُ فَافْطُرْ. And when you see the moon again at the end of the month, you start your Eid and you would have to break your fast. There is also another hadith that's mutawatir, it's widely narrated. صُومُوا لِلرُّؤْيَةِ وَافْطُرُوا لِلرُّؤْيَةِ. You start your fast when you see what? It's given that the object of seeing here is the moon. وَافْطُرُوا لِلرُّؤْيَةِ. And break your fast, the month of Ramadan is over, the Eid starts, once you see the moon. So we have a hadith indicating that as long as you see the moon, the month has been established and you start your fast. If you yourself saw the moon, but nobody else saw it, you were the only person who cared and went out in your city and tried to see the moon. No one else saw the moon, but you're the only person who saw the moon. Do you have to start your fast the next day in the month of Ramadan? Yes. It's the ijma' of scholars, the consensus of scholars, that if you are the only person who saw the moon and no one else saw it, you would have to start your fast. Even if nobody is having Ramadan tomorrow, because nobody else saw it, you would have to start your fast. However, there's one exception here, and scholars have mentioned this exception. If the reason why you saw the moon is because your vision is abnormally strong, you don't have normal vision, you have above normal vision, extraordinary vision, right? Such that the average person, even though they have 20/20 vision, they couldn't really see the moon on that night. But because you had extraordinary vision, like the famous Arabic figure Zarqa al-Yamama, they say she could see, I don't know, from a very, very far distance, maybe a distance that nobody else could see, miles and miles of visibility. Let's say you have extraordinary vision, and because of that you did see the moon. Do you start your fast the next day? Many scholars have said no, you don't start your fast. Why? I saw the moon. Yeah. But the hadith that says start your fast when you see the moon, it's talking about what type of vision? Customary average vision, not exceptional vision. Because your vision is exceptional, the hadith does not include that case. Therefore, tomorrow you will break your fast. Or if it was the crescent of Shawwal for the Eid, tomorrow you're fasting the month of Ramadan. You're like, but I saw the moon with my own eyes. I tell you, yeah, but your vision is not normal. And the hadith goes by normal vision. So just keep that in mind. But in any case, if you were the only person who saw the moon and no one else saw the moon, you would start your fast. And everybody else, it's not Ramadan for them. And indeed, if you ended up breaking your fast and not fasting the following day, you would have to do the qada and pray a kaffara. Because you saw the moon, so you have no excuse. So Ramadan started for you.
If you're one of those special cases who has good vision, then if the marja or someone else pointed you to sight the moon, and you saw it.
If you were asked to go and see the moon, you have to let them know that my vision is not normal. I have extraordinary vision. In that case, many maraja will not accept it. Of course, those maraja who do accept the telescope,